This video is for those people who be say that they tell Odogwu say they beg money for social media. If they use the pikin say they beg money, wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem? Why they pay una? Why this Mabel matter princess Mabel matter they pay una? Why una they drink Panadol put now una money? Now una begging? People say make you open account for pikin, say make they put something for her. Because this pikin is a miracle pikin. Now una won't cry for comfort, people. Now una money, now una begging. Anyway, my people, before I go into this matter, let me greet you up. I greet you according to your time. Wherever you are watching me for, is your girl Linda this TV. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Share this video for me. Don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot. So, guys, the video what Odogwu dropped today, but the live video when you do now, I want to talk about. For those of the way they say they beg money, now not begging. Now not begging. Now na begging, hi, Nigerians, bad belle people. Tell the thing they pay una because they gift the pikin. Comfort people, say they pay una. Say they pay una, bitter souls them. Now na begging. People where they donate the money, now na pocket for comment. And you say those people where they talk all these things, now they not donate one time, now their body they pepper put. Body the pepper una like us, body the pepper una headmistress will be comfort. Una headmistress will be comfort, and una headmaster will be papa de Nkanda. Hey, say they pain una. Said baby Annabelle is getting gift to the SA get a full cow. Easy to present cow give person for this Tinubu regime. Easy. Ah, baby Annabelle, you are blessed. Odogwu, leave whosoever way you want to talk, make it they talk. Leave them make they talk. Not because if anybody remove their account. At least let their account be there for 1 month. People that will donate will be donating. 1 naira, 2 naira, na something. Anybody will say, I love maybe Annabelle, want to donate for her. He go donate for there. Leave haters, they made that they drink Panadol. In short, if you don't say pay you well, go hawk transformer. Go hawk transformer. And for you, the woman where see call back again, say Odogwu say you send voice message again, say why Odogwu post your voice this thing. Matter if you not say what you do good, why are you complaining? When you know that what you did was right, why are you complaining? You're not supposed to complain. If you not say yes, this thing you are doing, this voice message where you sent to this boy is right, is good. It's good. If they send a call for you or your pikin, you go like him. Why are you complaining? He send a call for people to see what the threats when you they give her, and your threat not go work in Jesus' name. It not go work. Why are you complaining? Why you not go advise your comfort make it behave well? Why you not advise your comfort say why you not ask take comfort say why you go sleep with Odogwu? As a married woman where she be, you are not supporting bad thing. And those of the way say Odogwu they beg make una leave her. If they pay una well go and hawk transformer. Make una hot transformer wey dey una area. If una not see nearby transformer, mona go for another thing hug una self. It dey pain una. Evil set of people, it dey pain una say that they donate. If you reach comfort turn, mona not go even see who go donate for her. Na no go even see. Now not go even see bitter so people. Guys, share this video. Thank you so much, my people. I still remember why your only girl Linda this TV. For those of the way they pain, make it they pain there. Make it they pain there. I know say by this time Nkanda go they has a watch the cow for a phone for Odogwu page. Go they watch the cow. You go say, I wish you go carry that cow. I wish you go carry that cow. Shit. I see they pay there in the sweetest. I see they pay there over in the sweetest. Thank you so much, guys. See you, my people. Bye bye.